Olivia and Ella, get up there.
Ice cream, man.
Hi, sweetie. What ones? Just add like the dog pops?
Hey, Nat, look at Mom. Stop it. Ella, Bella.
Phoebe.
Olivia.
Ella and Olivia, get with Natalie.
Can I take
Ella,
one picture?
go over by Natalie.
Okay, ready?
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Thank you. Okay.
Elsa, what do you want?
Okay, so the ice cream man is here. April 23rd.
Elsa, you want the fudge bar?
Yes, April 23rd.
But if she wants to talk, to Coco, you gotta do that.
That one?
I have the scented mandarin.
What, is that one the other one? So you want that one?
How about the cotton candy swirl? That looks good.
The bubblegum swirl?
I've always got
Oh, that one.
always got no.
Ella wants the bubblegum one.
No, it's kind of cool now, Willow.
Yeah, the sun went down.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hi.
How are you? Did you know I was coming?
No, well,
Check Facebook?
yeah. No, I didn't. So, and Olivia was like, I think I hear music. And I'm like, no. And then I was like, oh my God.
It seems weird, April.
Have you got lots of people? Or,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, everyone's excited.
Absolutely. We've been here for 6 months.
I
I had
know.
one mom tell me, you get talked about a lot.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
awesome.
that's what I'm excited. So for next week, which she doesn't know, but yeah, so that'll be fun. So,
Oh,
you know,
see, I don't sometimes associate names with faces. You
so
know?
that's great.
That was her.
I know. So
She's the
yeah, but
swimmer.
everyone, because a lot of those people don't even get you. You know what I mean?
Okay, yeah.
So,
Because we're going to Hudson and someone,
yeah,
yeah, and I knew it was someone who set it up.
yeah. From North Hudson.
And that, what are you going to get?
It's never like we've had a family
We did a
conversation.
chocolate eclairs.
So, okay, sounds good. I think she wants the bubblegum bar. And then I think we need 2 of these. What are they? The
Chocolate eclairs.
Chocolate Eclair Crunch. Shelly, do you want anything?
Oh no, I just ate. Huge dinner.
I'm putting.
What? No. She's too many.
Chocolate eclair, bubblegum.
All right.
Isn't that Nat?
And that.
Wait,
And then,
2 chocolate eclairs, 1 bubble.
Oh,
backwards.
Backwards.
Here, why don't you give him this? Give him that. And
What's
say-
Phoebe get?
that.
And say, what's that? Give him that. And say,
That look.
What you getting, Phoebes?
You're gonna have to start selling doggy treats too.
Oh, what? That's
here you go.
Ask him if you got doggy treats.
Phoebe, come here.
Oh, she was standing.
There we go. Thanks,
She
you
thought
guys.
she was getting a treat. Come over here.
So,
Thank you.
that.
I know. Tell him we'll see him sometime, maybe.
We'll see you sometime. Before
This
school gets
summer.
out.
Yeah?
Maybe this
And
summer,
then this
right,
summer
Ella?
we'll see you Thursdays again.
Okay. Yes, you can have it. Okay, we'll see you guys.
see ya.
Thanks.
Tonight.
Bye.
See you later.
Let's go.
Enjoy, you guys. Let me know
There goes the ice cream, man.
We'll do you everything.
And so
Yeah.
then we're just gonna get,
Look at you comb your hair.
yeah, so I don't even think we're gonna do cake at the park. We're just gonna do a picnic.
Looks pretty good, Ella.
Nope, it's next week. It's really
Good?
I think it's May 2nd.
Oh, you're not doing
Okay, that's it for tonight.
On
See ya.
Thursday.
Okay.
Yep, on Thursday. So.
Looks pretty good.
That's right. I gotta. Do I have it on my phone?
You can turn that off now, Dad.
Okay.
What?
You know, when I say you can turn it off, you can turn it off.
Okay.
Where'd you learn that?
Oh.